हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। हम 10th क्लास केमिस्ट्री में डिस्कस कर रहे थे मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल के बारे में। हमने डिस्कस करना स्टार्ट किया था कल अबाउट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल्स। दो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। हमने कल डिस्कस किया मेटल, रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल विद ऑक्सीजन एंड रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल विद वाटर। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर लेक्चर विद द थर्ड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल, reaction of metals with dilute acids. Simply, when metal react with mineral acids, react with mineral acids, those acids which contain H plus ions or which gives H positive ion and an ion on dissociation. On this reaction, this gives us a metal salt. A metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Clear? When metals react with mineral acids, metal salt and hydrogen gas is obtained. One important point is here, highly electropositive metals, highly electropositive metals are good reducing agent. They are good reducing agent. Why? Because they easily lose their electrons. They are good reducing agent and they readily lose their electrons, or you can also write valence electrons and reduce acids and evolve hydrogen gas. Now discuss some examples like when aluminium reacts with HCl, this one gives aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas, 6HCl and 3H2, hydrogen balanced, chlorine balanced in 2 aluminium. Aluminium metal when react with HCl gives aluminium chloride with hydrogen gas. Let us take one more example. Zinc plus HCl, this one gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Balance this reaction, place 2 here. This compound is zinc chloride. Clear? Let us say if the less reactive metal comes in contact with HCl, no reaction takes place. Copper, if you memorized the activity series of metal, copper is placed below hydrogen. Copper is placed below hydrogen, so copper not able to displace hydrogen from acids. नोट कीजिए इसको, फिर हम आगे डिस्कस करते हैं. Next point, in these reaction we use use dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4, but HNO3 is not used generally because nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent. Generally, metal on reaction with nitric acid HNO3, hydrogen gas is not evolved. Hydrogen gas is not evolved because nitric acid is very strong oxidizing agent. Because nitric acid is very strong oxidizing agent and it oxidize H2 into water. Clear? On reaction with HCl and H2SO4, hydrogen gas is evolved, but on reaction with nitric acid, hydrogen gas is not evolved. Next, we are going to discuss the reaction of metal with salt solutions of less reactive metal. The next chemical property is reaction of metal with salt solution of less reactive metals. Simply हम इसको डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन बोल सकते हैं. Displacement reaction. The reaction in which a more reactive metal able to displace the less reactive metal from its salt solution. For example, when iron nail is placed in a solution of CuSO4, aqueous solution of CuSO4 is blue in color. After some time, this iron displaces this copper from here and form FeSO4 plus copper, and FeSO4 is of green in color and copper solid is displaced. Clear? Iron displaces copper from its solution. Next one, if magnesium metal comes in contact with CuSO4 aqueous solution which is blue in color, what happens? This magnesium displaces this copper from here and form MgSO4 copper. MgSO4 is colorless. With the color change, we easily detect that the reaction takes place here. Note it down. In case if silver solid is placed in CuSO4, if you remember the activity series, silver is placed below copper, so silver is not able to displace copper from its solution, so no reaction. So no reaction takes place. If copper solid is placed in a solution of Ag2SO4, silver solution, what happens? Copper is more reactive than silver, so copper easily displaces the silver from its solution. Silver is displaced, copper is displaced here. This one is an aqueous solution, blue in color. This is the reaction of metal with salt solution metals with chlorine. नोट कीजिए इसको. Next is reaction of metal with chlorine. Metal chlorides are formed. Metals are electropositive, chlorine electronegative. Ionic bond is formed and the ionic compound is formed. As we know, electropositive tendency to lose electron. Metals are electropositive. Let us consider metal loses an electrons. Electronegative means tendency to gain electron. Simply, chlorine is electronegative in nature. Chlorine gain these n electrons and Cl and Cl negative formed. Now, this positive react with this negative and form an ionic compound. For example, sodium when react with chlorine, this will form sodium chloride. Magnesium when react with chloride, this will form magnesium chloride. Aluminium when react with chlorine, this will form aluminium chloride. Balance these reactions, Cl2 here, Cl2 here. First and second reaction is automatically balanced. And for the third reaction, here are 3 chlorine. 2, multiply this with 3 and this with 2. Chlorine is balanced and aluminium is also balanced here. Next, note it down. Next we are going to discuss our property reaction of metal with hydrogen. Last chemical property of metal is reaction of metals with hydrogen. Metals on reaction with hydrogen forms metal hydrides. Metal on reaction with hydrogen form metal hydrides. For example, sodium when combined with hydrogen, it forms sodium hydride. 2 moles of sodium hydride. Calcium on reaction with H2, this will form calcium hydride, sodium hydride, and this is calcium hydride. This is all about chemical properties of metals. Next, we are going to discuss about uses of metals. Put down the heading, uses of metals. Uses of metals. The first use, metals in bioprocesses. For example, simple one, iron is the constituent of hemoglobin, magnesium is the constituent of chlorophyll, calcium is the constituent of our bones. So, metals in bioprocesses. Metals in bioprocesses. iron in hemoglobin, calcium in bones, sodium, magnesium, potassium, minerals, essential constituent of minerals. Second use of metal, metals in daily goods and machines. Metals in डेली गुड्स, जो हम रोज डेली रूटीन में यूज करते हैं, मेटल से बनी हुई बहुत सारी चीजें हम डेली बेसिस पे यूज करते हैं. एंड मशीन्स, आयरन से बनी हुई कितनी सारी मशीन्स हम देखते हैं डे बाय डे लाइफ में. नेक्स्ट वन इज मेटल्स इन ज्वेलरी. मेटल्स इन ज्वेलरी लाइक गोल्ड से बनी हुई ज्वेलरी, कॉमन एग्जाम्पल. Fourth one, metals in health equipments. Metals in health equipments and instruments बनाने में मेटल काम आता है, जैसे मर्करी in thermometer used to measure temperature, in barometer used to measure pressure. Next use of metal, metal in space projects. Metal in space projects. For example, titanium, zirconium, sodium used in space projects. Next use, metals in nuclear fuel. Metals as nuclear fuel. In nuclear reactions में fuel की तरह काम करते हैं metals हमारे, like uranium, Neptune, etc. And the last use of metals is coinage metals. Coinage metals, या हम बोल सकते हैं metals in economy, copper, silver, gold. इन metals के coins बनाए जाते हैं. So these are the uses of metals. This is all about metals. Next we are going to discuss in our next lecture.